Hey guys, I'm back with the unbox of the TRN BA5. This is a very new IEM. It hasn't been out less than a month, a couple of weeks. I know it hasn't been long. And an all armature unit. So I hope this is better than the TRN X6, which I have here. Because these wasn't very good. These things look awesome. But the reality is there wasn't. But right, let's have a look. And sorry if I sound a little bit different, I've got a cold. So there you go. Same box as the V90. 10 balance armature reference grade, which means 5 armatures aside. No mic and in black. I didn't even know there's a navy version. They only advertise one version, and that's either with the mic or no mic, and I picked no mic. 3.5 full balance armature with no 0.75, which is always the same. 110 decibels sensitivity and an impedance of 22, so this should be easy to power. And they've actually got a website in the Guangdong province. Nice. Move that out of the way. Hey, TRN's boxes keep getting smaller and smaller, but I don't blame them. Oh, this is... Come on, let me get it out, come on. This will do it. There we go. So I don't stab myself. Oh, here we go. Before I get to those, I presume it comes with mediums fitted. How many is in there? So yeah, I can see there's 4 in there. I'll just get one out. Yeah, kind of the generic tips. They always tend to use the red inserts. I've never really had any problems with them. But yeah, they should. I presume it'll come with mediums fitted, but I'll have a look in a bit. QC pass, which to be honest doesn't really mean anything. You can see that. They say they have 1 year warranty. I have no idea how you claim that back. Owner may be required to pay cost of postage, courier and parts not covered under warranty. So by the time you've paid to send it back, it's probably not worth it. Natural disaster or acts of God. Okay, I've never seen that before. Blah blah blah. The usual stuff. Mine's a version without the mic, so that section 2 means nothing. This seems to be the same information that was with the V90. You can pause it if you want it. And the back's all in Chinese. So this is the thing I was looking to see the big difference is they've changed the connector type, as you can see, to more like the KZ. Yeah, they have. I'm not really keen on this one. I prefer just the normal one. See that in the camera? And it actually does say L. That's so small. Can you even see it? Right in the middle of the pins. If you can just see it there. Normally on the KZ it's way clearer. It's a lot clearer. So yeah, everything else is just the same. Metal connector, small grips, obviously 3.5. Strain relief seems the same. This is just a normal TRN cable, which they're okay. There's nothing spectacular about it. Y split, strain relief there on the left, none on the right. That's the left one, which is super hard to see. They should have really put a colour on, like there should be like at least a blue indicator on that one. Then obviously, can you see? And red one for right. It's just there. It's super small. But yeah, I'd have heard if they're just stuck with the normal 2.5. Here it is at the way. Yeah, look like medium tips. So all metal. Look extremely similar to the V90. Let me just get a V90. V90 actually a little bit smaller. I doubt that ventilation actually does anything because this is an all balanced armature unit. That's extremely similar. This is right. This is right. Actually, let's just quickly compare these two. So it looks like the bottom of the nozzle is wider. I'll have to see and see that tapers out. It's a bit smoother there. Okay, I'll have to see the difference of comfort. There's a good weight to them. It's obviously all metal. Look good. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple of days with a review. They should be okay. I haven't heard anything bad about these, but it's obviously early days. Only a handful of people have actually said anything about these. So yeah, guys, I'm out, and I'll be back in 3 days, or give or take a few days. These shouldn't take much testing. But yeah, they look good. Hopefully that crazy shape is comfortable. So yeah, guys, I'm out, and I'll be back soon.